This piece right here is missing that tab right there, and I don't like that at all. Well, looks like I'm going to be welding that tab that's broken off on here because this ring seems to be unavailable. I'm going to have to go through some other sources to try to find it. I just don't have time to leave the truck jacked up in my driveway this long while I'm hunting this ring down, so I'm going to gas weld this piece back on right here. I'm going to go in at a 45-degree angle with my neutral flame, and I'm going to feed my rod in at the other 45-degree angle, and I got to do this very carefully because this is thin metal. I'm going to heat this thing up till it's red hot. Heat up the whole area actually, because I don't want to be screwing with the temper too much when I hammer it down. Heat up the whole area a little bit here. Should be hardening it as well as flattening it down. Now I'm going to go on ahead and dunk it in some water. Now outside here we got to measure this keyway and see just what size that is. It says 1/4 inch. 250 thousandths. I don't know how well we can see this, but this little point on this little tiny Dremel tool is cheap Chinese junk, and it's not balanced, it's not centered. So when I pull the trigger, I don't know if you can see it on the video or not, but when I pull the trigger, it spins out of balance. There, I think you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to center that by working it on this grinding wheel. That worked. It's pretty well centered now. You can see on one side how it ground off one side and just barely started to work around that side. Looks good to me. So I'm going to go on and start I'm going to use this bigger tool, this Roto Zip, with a bigger cutting wheel, to grind this down, because I got to grind this down more. I didn't know how long it needed to be, and I think I added a little too much to it. I'm just going to go ahead and trim this other side down to get it down to that 1/4 inch, or slightly less than a 1/4 inch, and then we'll take it outside and try it out. Well, I lost my point, wore the point off on this, so what you do is just do the same thing on the grinding wheel again and reshape this. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up with just a regular file. Check it for that 1/4 inch. Still a little bit big. Got the width of it good, but it's still just a little bit long, so I'm going to file the end of it down a little bit more. Okay, I just filed that down some more. We're going to take it out and try it again. Alright, I got that flattened down. I'm going to, that tab that was up there,